How to sign in into the Chase Bank on the website. To sign in into your Chase Bank on the website, in today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. So we can open up web browser and we can navigate to the official Chase website here, which is chase.com directly. And we can start by signing in. So for that, we can look out for the sign in option usually on the home page directly at the top right. Tap on it and locate the sign in field and tap on it. And on the next page, you will be seeing fields for username and password. So wait for that page to load up first, which will be available like this. So in this fields right here, we can type in our Chase online username and password. On the first box, we have username. You can just go and tap on it in order to enter your username. And right below it, we can enter the password. You can just go and check on this remember me option if you're on a personal device and want the site to remember your username. And you can also use this option called use token. If you have set up two-factor authentication, you can just go over and use a token to sign in. And once it is done, you can click on the sign in button right here to access your account, and you can just go over and do so, and you'll be signing into the Chase Bank on the website very easily. If you're not enrolled yet, you can tap on this option called not enrolled sign up now to enroll in Chase online banking if you have not already and forgot username or password to recover your login information. So you may just go and follow up this method and make sure that your browser is updated as the old versions might not work properly. So I can just go and check it out. But usually this is what you do in order to sign in into the Chase Bank on the website. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.